Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you to one of the trip to two amazing places, Lepakshi Temple and Boghanandeeshwara Temple. It was one day trip and I cannot wait to show you everything we saw. We started our journey early in the morning. The road to Lepakshi is really nice and you can see the countryside passing by. It was smooth ride and I was so excited to reach the temple. Our first stop is Lepakshi Temple, which is in Andhra Pradesh. This temple was built in the 16th century during the Vijayanagara Empire. It's said that the temple was constructed under the supervision of Virupanna and Veeranna, who were brothers of governors under the empire. Lepakshi is famous for its amazing carvings, tall pillars, and the huge Nandi statue. Look at these carvings. Each one tells a story from Hindu mythology. And check out this hanging pillar. It is also interesting because it doesn't touch the ground completely. The name Lepakshi comes from two words, Le meaning to fly and Pakshi means bird in Sanskrit. According to legend, the bird named Jatayu from the Ramayana fell here after being wounded while trying to rescue Sita. One of the most famous part of Lepakshi is the huge Nandi statue carved from a single rock. It is really massive and beautiful, detailed, and it is considered one of the largest Nandi statue in India. We wanted to see the Kalyani, which is a big step well here, but unfortunately it was closed because there was too much water. A little disappointing, but there is still so much to explore. Lepakshi is truly impressive because of its detailed carving and grand pillars. Every corner has something unique to see, and it's amazing how well these structures have been preserved over hundreds of years. After Lepakshi, we headed to Boghanandeeshwara Temple located in Nandi Hills. The temple is even older. It is believed to have been originally built by the Cholas and later renovated by Vijayanagara rulers. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva and is surrounded by hills and greenery, giving it a very calm and peaceful atmosphere. Boghanandeeshwara Temple also has ancient stone carvings and sculpture of gods and goddesses. Even though it is smaller than Lepakshi, it holds a lot of history and charm. Walking around, you can see the old inscriptions and carvings that tell stories from history. Every corner of the example has something interesting to explore. Overall, it was fantastic day exploring both temples. Lepakshi impressed me with the grand architecture and massive Nandi, and Boghanandeeshwara gave me a peaceful and historic vibe. If you ever get a chance, you should definitely visit these places. Don't forget to check if the Kalyani is open before you go. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe